As a general rule of thumb, the smaller, lighter birds, like a thrush, finch, and sparrow, will hop, while larger and heavier birds, like penguins, ducks, and kiwis, will run. Smaller birds will normally hop around the garden because they're used to spending a lot of time on top of tree branches, and it's a lot quicker to hop from branch to branch. There are exceptions, however. Wagtails are small and light birds, but they spend most of their time on the ground chasing insects instead of hanging around tree branches, so they'll run instead of hop. Large birds are normally too big to fit in trees. Can you imagine a giant swan squeezing himself into a little fern? Hopping is too slow and takes up too much energy to be viable. Just imagine how much harder your life would be if you had to hop everywhere. An exception to this is the magpie, which despite its large size will still spend a lot of time in trees.